teamwork is the key success factor for our patients.
Hello, my name is Christian and I'm working as a prosthetist here in Malmö in southern part of Sweden. Every day me and my team here take care that people can master the small things in everyday life by providing them with individually made prosthetic solutions.
My name is Ulrika and I'm an occupational therapist. I work at the Department of Hand Surgery at SONIA University Hospital in Malmö. Especially when working with children, you develop an idea what works or not. The goal is to make them use the prosthesis without thinking as a device. Our dysmelia and our prosthesis group is the best example that teamwork is the key success factor for our patients. The team consists of me and other occupational therapists, the prosthetist, a hand surgeon, a physiotherapist and a social worker. Together with all these experts and the parents, we strive to find the perfect fitting solution for every child. The trusting relationship that we build with our patients is extremely important and the biggest reward for our work.
My daughter Lavisa has dysmelia and wears a myoelectric prosthesis. Lavisa was about 6 months old when we met the group in the hospital in Malmö for the first time. It's good to meet other parents, share experiences as well as tips and tricks about the dysmelia and how to cope with it.
Our everyday life is fast-moving. With a limited mobility, this life can be very challenging. That's why we care for your mobility, so that you can lead an independent life, no matter how old you are.
I hope you like the educational videos from Best Care Forum. Please, if you have any suggestion, if you have any question, write your comment under the same video or contact us with 00971 50911 0216. My name is Ismail Nouri. I will answer you 24 hours, 7 days a week. Or write an email to us with the same email you can see on the display right now. Thank you for your trust. Thank you for using these educational videos to be able to provide better services to your community and to your patients. God bless you all, stay healthy and see you soon. Thank you.
My name is EDWIN. I'm a family man with 2 children, great children. I have done a diploma in international business management. I'm very passionate about people with disabilities. I'm also into sports, where I'm the head coach of para table tennis and also an assistant club coach of para badminton. I've traveled widely. The train has just left me. These are the challenges that we face as persons with disabilities. We have a lot of problems, road transport, as you can see, the rail transport. Like when you miss transport, you find that you have to go later to my job. I also missed an exam, which was very devastating for me. I hope that maybe this will be rectified in the future. I'm also doing amputee football currently. I'm also into para archery and wheelchair fencing. My life goal is to be an advocate for people with disabilities in advocacy and mainstreaming in all spheres of their daily lives.